Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We often talk about women's pain, their struggle, their sacrifice. कभी किसी ने सोचा, what about the man? The one who silently carries the weight of everyone's world on his shoulder but never complains. Every man has a story he never tells. वो थक जाता है, टूट भी जाता है, मगर चेहरे पर मुस्कुराहट रखता है ताकि कोई परेशान ना हो. When his mother need medicine, he runs. When his father expect success, he struggle. When his family needs support, he sacrifice. Because from childhood he is told, मर्द बनो, लड़के रोते नहीं, लड़कों को दर्द नहीं होता. But no one teach him how to deal with pains. हर मुस्कुराहट के पीछे थकन छुपी होती है, हर खामोशी के पीछे दर्द. वो सब बर्दाश्त करता है ताकि इसकी माँ, इसकी बीवी, इसके बच्चे सुकून से जी सकें. And you know what's the most beautiful? He never asks for credit. He does not ask for thank you. So, to every man listening today, you are enough. You are doing great. Even if no one say it, we see your struggle. We respect your smile. Keep going. Your hard work, your patience, your sleepless nights, they will pay off one day.